FTX was hit by the news that the Binance trade had exchanged its possessions of the FTT crypto token. Binance's pioneer, Changpeng CZ Zhao, declared on the 6th of November 2022 that his organization would do the activity because of late disclosures. Remembered to be connected with reports that FTX's organizer, Sam Bankman-Breuel, was utilizing FTT to help his Lambda exploration multifaceted investment. A report by Bloomberg said that Binance held FTT worth about $529 m. Bankman-Breuel then, at that point, took to Twitter to say that the bits of gossip were unwarranted. In any case, the insight about Binance's choice implied that the cost of FTT dropped from a high of $24.83 on the 6th of November to around $22.60 on the 7th of November. FTX token made sense of. FTX is a digital money trade which permits individuals to partake in both over-the-counter and crypto fates exchanging. The stage expects to give a stage-progressed highlights for proficient dealers while, it claims, staying instinctive enough for new clients. FTX has a local token, called FTT, in view of the Ethereum blockchain. This implies that it is a token, not a coin, so references to such things as an FTT coin cost forecast are off base. As per a FTX blog entry, assuming that a client has a utilized prospect's position on and markets move against their record sufficient that their net resource esteem is negative, then, at that point, somebody needs to pay for that shortfall. And in crypto, you can't repossess resources from the bankrupt record's proprietor from outside the framework, so you're left with different clients, the clients who aren't getting exchanged, taking care of everything. Like most liquidation motors, the one FTX utilizes begins by recognizing when a client has dipped under the support edge. Dissimilar to numerous different stages, it picks canny, proficient qualities for these. The trade sends sensible, volume-restricted liquidation orders to shut down places that dip under upkeep edge. On the off chance that there is an enormous liquidation and markets are dropping down quickly, liquidity suppliers dominate and support their books on different trades to forestall a possible insolvency. As the local badge of the FTX trade, FTT is the foundation of the biological system, guidelines and as far as possible subsidiaries exchanging. So FTX offers a different site for US clients where FTT is inaccessible. On the 25th of October 2021, FTX finished the securing of the US-based Ledger X, a subsidiaries organization directed by the Where Fates Exchanging Commission. FTX said, with the finish of the deal and by understanding for this obtaining, FTX US will acquire a CFTC-directed assigned agreement market, trade execution office, and subsidiaries clearing association. These will be accessible to both retail and institutional financial backers 24/7 and offer block exchanging and algorithmic exchanging amazing open doors for institutional financial backers. Ledger X was rebranded to FTX US subordinates. Globally, FTX records offer FTT, USD, FTT, USDT, and FTT, BTC matches for exchanging. FTX clients who hold FTT get refunds on their exchanging charges, a level-based structure, from 3% for possessions of no less than $100 up to 60% for property of $5 m. Clients can likewise stake FTT to get a higher level of the exchanging charges of clients they elude. Producer expense refunds notwithstanding the standard expense limits, valuable chances to win free non-fungible token. Reward administration votes, expanded airdrop remunerates, various free ERC20 and Ether withdrawals each day, and tickets for introductory trade contributions facilitated on FTX. FTX repurchases and consumes FTT, supporting its worth. It purchases tokens equivalent to 33% of the exchanging charges produced, 10% of the net increases to the stopping board store, and 5% of expenses acquired from different purposes of the stage. FTX purchases the tokens on its FTT, USD market and consumes them week after week. The stage was established by the crypto business visionary Sam Bankman-Breuel, and starting around the 11th of October 2022, it was appraised as the second biggest crypto trade by volume by CoinMarketCap. While past execution ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, knowing FTT's cost history can give us some valuable setting with regards to both making and deciphering a FTX token cost expectation in view of the earliest accessible cost information from 2019. The FTT token cost tumbled from $1.78 to its unequaled low of 83 cents on the 7th of September 2019. It then picked up speed and shut the year at $2.14. The symbolic cost was reasonably bullish all through 2020, and rolling gains of 169%. It began the year at $2.14 and shut at $5.77. In 2021, the worth of FTT spiked from $5.82 on the 1st of January to $61.28 on the 11th of May, a more than 10 times increment. Notwithstanding, The more extensive digital money market then, at that point, turned negative, and FTT fell over 62% to $22.79 on the 26th of June 2021. FTX token news. FTX laid out an organization with GameStop, an American computer game and gaming items shopper store, in September 2022. The joint effort means to acquaint more GameStop clients with FTX's people group in commercial centers for advanced resources. GameStop will start offering FTX gift vouchers in specific areas and drawing in with FTX on new web-based business and internet showcasing exercises. GameStop will be FTX's retail accomplice in the U.S. however long the joint effort might last. The monetary terms of the understanding have not been revealed. From the 27th of August to the 4th of September, FTX coordinated a web-based Clash of Legends rivalry named FTX Nexus Stars, in which contenders could procure a piece of a $10,000 prize pool. The opposition was available to groups of 5 players. Nonetheless, individual members were likewise qualified to contend and were doled out a situation in a group. Moreover, all members had the potential chance to win a gaming PC and many in-game things. As interest for digital currencies grows, the requirement for brought together in decentralized trades could areas of strength for stay. Looks good for trades with a significant portion of the overall industry, like FTX, and thusly for the FTT viewpoint. Moreover, CNBC detailed in August 2022 that spilled financials showed a 1,000% increment in FTX's income. In the wake of producing under $90 in 2020, the trade supposedly created more than $1 billion in 2021 as the worth of digital currency arrived at an unequaled high. Nonetheless, it could well be contended that the dissemination of FTT isn't really decentralized, since the main 100 holders are in charge of over the vast majority of tokens, as per CoinCarp, since the biggest wallet holder controls 59.49% of the whole stockpile. This digital currency is entirely vulnerable to siphon and dump plans. FTX token cost expectations. Allow us now to investigate a portion of the FTX token cost expectations that were being made starting around the 7th of November 2022. Do recall that cost conjectures, particularly for something as possibly unpredictable as digital money, frequently end up being incorrectly. Likewise, some long-haul crypto value forecasts are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies they can change immediately. Had a momentary FTX token cost expectation for 2022 that said the token could drop to $21.33 by the 12th of November and fall further to $17.62 by the 8th of December. The site's specialized examination recommended that what was to come was negative, with 25 markers conveying negative messages instead of only 2 that was bullish. Made a FTT cost expectation that said the typical cost for 2022 could be $23.43. It saw FTT then, at that point, ascending to $37.43 in 2023 and $48.55 in 2024. Its FTX token cost expectation for 2025